have a chance to take a look at today's session material?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay, very good. So what is today's topic about?
Helping a friend move.
Very good. So, have you been in such a situation before?
No, sir, I have never been because right now I'm too young.
Yes, you're too young. So
and have you been in this situation?
No, actually, I've also not been in such a situation. Okay, so let's pretend that you're now 20 years old. Okay. Or rather, let's pretend you're 25 years old and a friend of yours is shifting to Mumbai and she's unaware of everything around the city. How will you make her familiar with the city of Mumbai? And which places will you take her to visit?
First thing that I will do first thing that I will let her visit the mall and the park. There are so many beautiful things here. So wherever she would like to visit, I will take her. If she want to visit the park or anywhere, so I will take her.
One thing, you said if she want to visit the park, you said, did you say the park? Which park? Yes. Which park are you talking about, Kritika? Every society. One second. Every society has its own park.
Has its own park.
Yeah. When you talk about, when you're saying something in singular, you say everything has his own park. Every society has its own park. And when you say all societies, then you say all societies have their own.
Okay, sir, I will say. Oh, so near my society, there is one park.
Yes.
It is very beautiful, but there are no fountains. First, there are all seesaw, slide, and swing, and there is one exercise area for adults.
Okay.
So that they can do exercise. And there is something else where people relax.
Okay.
Take some rest.
So all these parks are near your society, or they're inside your society?
No, only one park is near my society.
Okay. Very nice.
And the other two are somewhere else.
Okay. Okay. And you said you'll take her to the mall?
Yeah, there is a beautiful mall. My small sister has visited that mall.
Okay.
I don't know when did she visit that mall. In his year, Papa, let's go to buy pencil. So my father said, you have plenty of pencil at home. Why are you asking? So then my sister said, I need new pencils. Those are old pencils. Everyone in my school has so beautiful pencils. So my sister alone went to the mall. She forgot to take me. Then the mall was, Baba, buy this, or buy that.
Okay.
It's so beautiful.
Okay.
And sir, if your friend came to your house, which place would you take her?
Which place would I take her? I would also take her to a park. Yeah, there's a beautiful park here, and I would take her to a park, and maybe I would take her to a restaurant to eat food. Yeah, and
will you take her if you're from your office? If you got holiday, then you can go to the beach as well. You can go to the beach.
Yeah. Which beach?
Any beach. There are so many beach.
Okay. Okay, maybe I'll think about doing that also, Ritika.
Have you ever visited any beach?
Oh yes, of course. I have Jew Beach. There's Jew Beach. Have you been to Jew Beach?
No, sir. I am I have never visited, but I want to go one day. I will go, but not right now. When my holidays.
Okay.
Today is Sunday, so only today I have holiday, and yesterday also I had.
Okay.
So yesterday, I wanted to go to park, but my father said we'll go tomorrow. He's every day saying that to me. So I say, when will that come? When will that tomorrow come? And when my mother asked him to do exercise, what he will do? He will say, okay. He will do only little exercise. He will say, oh, I'm so tired now. He will have some rest. And my sister will say, do exercise. He will say, I will do it tomorrow. Then now she will again say, Papa, do exercise. Then she will say, when that tomorrow will come, Papa? You are always saying that.
Okay. Okay. So now let's go back to this situation where your friend has come. She chooses to live. If she chooses to live in an apartment.
In an apartment.
Yes. Okay. And then what would you do? What will you do?
The first thing that I will do, I will let her know that place.
Okay.
Then if she has a car, so that I will tell her everything about Mumbai. But if her car has run out of petrol,
you will take her to the petrol pump?
Yes, I will tell her the way as well. She must know everything about Mumbai.
Yes. Okay.
And sir, what would you do?
Yeah, I will do exactly what you said. I will